Hello everyone! Welcome back po sa ating Practical Research 1 class. Ito po yung lesson 3 ng ating module ng ating lesson for Practical Research 1. We will be talking about ethics of research. Alright, so ayan, ethics of research. First of all, I would like to give you this first sentence on our lesson. Research, new idea. Research ethics provides guidelines for the responsible conduct of research, which educates and monitors researchers to ensure high ethical standards. So first of all, ano ba talaga yung ethics? Alright, let's search it over the internet. Ethics. Ethics. It's a moral principles that govern a person's behavior or conducting of an activity. Right? Two, the branch of knowledge that deals with moral principles. So what does it mean? Yung tamang paggawa ng isang bagay ay ethics. Kapag gusto mong hiramin ang isang bagay, kung gusto kong hiramin yung cellphone mo at hindi mo ibinigay, kinuha ko pa rin, may ethics ba? Ito, kapag gusto kong hiramin yung cellphone mo at kinuha ko sa bag mo nang walang pahintulot, may ethics ba ako? Wala. That is ethics. Okay? Alright, sa research po, may ethics din. Kailangan nasundin ang ethics ng research para nang sa ganun, s- on your process of gathering the data or following the procedures of your research, ay kaya mong makuha yung mga result ng research or ng thesis mo or ng problem na meron ka sa thesis mo nang walang problema, right? So research ethics, ayan, provides guidelines for the responsible conduct of research, which educates and monitors the researchers to ensure high ethical standard. Kailangan yung research nasa high ethical standard. Kasi pag hindi, magkakaproblema ka. It promotes the aim of the research, such as expanding knowledge, and supports the values required for collaborative work, mutual respect, and fairness. Ethical considerations in conducting research. We have number one, objectivity and integrity. All right, so Sir Randy, ano ba ang pagiging objective at pagiging may integridad? Avoid bias. Kailangan pantay ang pagtingin mo kung iyon ay isang experimental design. Kapag yung dalawa yung ikinukumpara mo sa research mo, tapos dahil nandyan yung anak mo sa like control and experimental group kasi may control and experimental sex control and experimental group sa experimental research design. Kapag nandun yung anak mo sa experimental research design, kailangan ba yung tingin mo as a researcher nakafocus lang sa experimental group? Hindi. Dapat kailangang pantay. Right? Data analysis, yung interpretation ng data, kung anong nagagather mo, kailangan hindi mo basehan yung anong merong pinaniniwalaan mo sa pag-i-interpret ng data. It will affect, surely, peer review, personal decisions, grant writing, expert testimony, and other aspects of research. Bakit may mga sinasabi ditong mga peer review, mga personal decision? Kasi pag sometimes kasi, 'di ba sinabi ko kanina that it takes a lot of people para mabuo yung research mo. Now, pag m- hindi yan agreed ng mga tao na kailangan konektado, like experts na kailangan nag-validate sa questionnaire mo, hindi yan magiging valid. Kailangan ang research valid, hindi ba? Remember that. Now, keep your promises and agreements. Act with sincerity. Strive for consistency of thought and action. What does it mean, Sir Randy? It means na kapag sinabi mo, Sir, kailangan kong, ah, dahil ikaw yung napili kong respondent, kailangan ko po kayong ma-interview bukas ng alas 3 at dumating ka ng alas 5 ng hapon. Anong masasabi ng interviewee mo? Hindi ba wala kang integridad? Ayun, yung ethics ng research. Kailangan may integrity. Objectivity dahil kailangan mong i-judge yung conclusion mo, yung judgment mo sa research mo base sa data. Hindi dahil may pamangkin ka doon. Alright? Next, number 2, respect of the research subject's right to privacy and dignity and protection of subjects from personal harm. Kasi may mga research kasi na ah, posibleng makapagbigay ng personal harm yung danger ba ng sa mga subjects or sa mga respondents ng research mo. Yung mga taong sasagot ng research mo. It may cause personal harm to them. So it must be that as a researcher, you uphold the privacy and dignity of the subject's rights. Okay? What I mean is, kung participant mo ako sa research mo, kailangan yung personal na idea ko ay hindi kakalat ng kung sino-sino. Okay? Hindi hindi na ilalagay yung pangalan ko sa kung anong merong idea ako na naisasagot ko sa research mo. Importante yon dahil it may invade my privacy. Kung na-notice ninyo, yung mga research questionnaire walang pangalan. Ito'y dahil sa itong ethics of research na kailangan you uphold the privacy and dignity of your respondents, right? Inform your participants about the criteria set for choosing them as informants and the schedule of one-on-one interview at the convenient time they are available. So, kailangan nakaset yon. Tapos, kung nakaset, kailangan pumunta ka doon sa tamang oras. Much better kung nauna ka sa iyong interviewee, right? As an interviewer. Kailangan as an interviewer, alam mo yung mga tanong na niya na yung mga tanong na itatanong mo. Okay? Ethics din 'yan. Para alam niya yung tamang sagot na isasagot niya. Okay? Participations to the study will be completely voluntary. And moreover, when conducting a research on human subjects, minimize harms and risks and maximize benefits, respect human dignity, privacy, and anonymity. So, anong sinasabi ng anonymity? Kailangan unknown. Kailangan na itatago mo yung in a private way yung privacy ng inyong mga respondents. Okay? And it should be done voluntarily. Okay? Next is ethics of research. Number 3, presentation of research findings. Kailangan ang pag-share ng data, results, ideas, tools, and resources ay open for criticism. Meaning, posibleng may mga taong hindi mag-a-agree o kailangang magsasuggest sa inyo na o ito ang gagawin o ito yung kukunin mo o ito yung siguro dagdagan mo ito ng ganyan. So actually that is the research process is meant to be. Okay? Kailangan you have to understand the idea that kapag nagkakanda ka ng research, open ka for criticism at bagong ideya sa pagre-report ng data, result methods, and procedures, and publication status. Right? Number 4, misuse of research role. Oh, ito, publish in order to advance research and scholarship, not to advance your own career. Sometimes kasi, nagre-research ka dahil gusto mong ma-promote sa iyong trabaho. Ito yon, that's true. Okay, I would like to emphasize this that kahit kami mga teachers, nagkakandak kami ng research. Isa yung plus points para ma-advance yung career, ma-promote kami sa career namin. Pero paano kung itong research pala ay malaking magagawa para sa society? Hindi mo ba 'yun gagawin para sa society man lang? So, ito yung mga misuse of research, right? Hindi nagagamit yung talagang purpose ng research para ma-advance yung research, yung new ideas, yung innovation, hindi yung ma-advance yung career mo. Avoid wasteful and duplicative publication. Yung mga pakopya-kopya lang, basta may research, hindi yun pwede. Alright? Next, number 5, acknowledgement of research, collaboration, and assistance. So, kailangan yung mga taong or mga colleagues mo, yung mga advisors mo na tumulong sa'yo para gawin ang iyong research, it would be very beneficial to them if you would acknowledge them. Okay? Students, always remember na kapag gumagawa ng research, kailangan i-acknowledge. Rule yun yung research, ha? Na kailangan i-acknowledge yung mga taong ah, somehow tumulong sa'yo para gawin yung research. Right? Next is distortion of findings by a sponsor. Do not fabricate, falsify, and misrepresent the data. Why? Sometimes kasi may mga researcher na gusto kong manalo to or gusto kong mapatunayan to. So, pino-falsify yung data, meaning what do you mean by falsify? Yung yung talagang ginagawa yung lahat para maipalabas na ito yung resulta. So, ini-erase, nilalagyan ng bagong data. Hindi yun, yung data talaga, students, ay hindi yun galing sa inyo. Yun ay coming from the different people whom you interviewed or you gather data. You should not fabricate. You should not falsify it. All right? And that's all for our lesson for ethics of research. I hope you got something new. You got ideas with regards to how are we going to conduct research in the future. Specifically, paano isusunod or kung paano susundin ang ethics, ang tamang ethics ng research. This is Sir Randy. I hope you can answer the following activity. Thank you. Goodbye.